Welcome to 20x Marketing. We are here again with a new video of WhatsApp marketing. In this video, we are gonna talk about button sending software. So let's get started. This is the interface of our software. This calls Excellent Blaster. Usually, you can connect single numbers with this software and create only a single instance. But in this software, you can connect multiple numbers at same time. Simply, you go to Device menu and on the upper right corner, hit the Create Instance. Give the name to your new instance. Simply hit Create. Now, click on Show QR and simply you can connect your WhatsApp number here. And that's it, your instance is ready. In this way, you can add multiple WhatsApp accounts. So, we have created two instances for demonstration. So, first of all, we will talk about welcome messages. WhatsApp provides you the facility to send welcome messages to the person who is first time texting you, who may be unknown for you. But in our software, you can add call to action button so they can direct call you or visit your website. You can simply list your product and services as list or menu in your welcome messages, which will increase your customer engagement. Now let's see how to use this feature. Go to welcome messages, click on add welcome message. Now here you have to choose instance. Now here you have to choose instance for which you want to create welcome messages. Here is message type. You can customize your welcome message as text, text with button, button with media, list and menu, list menu with button, poll and poll with media. So we are selecting today list and menu. Here simply you can type or copy your text in the message box. Now let's move on to create our menu. Here we are taking example of mobile shop business. So our menu title will be mobile brands. The middle title will be select below button and our footer title as click below button. Now give the title and description of your button. We are just giving title. For example, Samsung ad menu. Like this, you can add all your products here. And that's it, your list is ready. Now simply click on create and your welcome menu message is ready. Moving on to auto reply. You can use this feature to reply or answer to customers for frequently asked questions. This don't need any human involvement. They will get answered directly from the software. Now let's see how to set auto reply for those menu items that we created in welcome messages. Simply go to auto reply menu and add auto reply. Now select the instance in which you want to set auto reply. I want for both. I select all instance. Now here you have to choose keyword, which are nothing but just your menu items that you have created in welcome message. Now simply select the keyword and choose your message type. Here you can also create sub-menus for your list. But right now we will create a button. In the footer title, you can simply add any message. Right now I'm adding click below button. In button type, you get three types of button. First is quick auto reply. You can add multiple buttons here. Simply we will hit add button to create more button. The other option is call button. Here just give the title for your button. And the third button is URL button. You can simply redirect your customers to your website or your representative number so the client can easily redirect there. I am adding our website here and we simply click on create and our auto reply is created, and the next option is templates. Same message you are using for every time you are marketing, then you can use templates. You can save your time to creating same messages every time. Now let's see how to use template features. Simply go to template menu, add template name here, demo. You can simply choose your message type. We will select button. Simply type or copy and paste your content. Give footer. We are adding button as quick reply button. For example, what's up? Sender. I'm adding another button. Like this way you can create multiple buttons. Now simply hit create and your templates are ready. The next option is number filter. For example, if you have multiple contacts but you don't know how many numbers are available on the WhatsApp and how many are not, you can simply add your number manually here, or you can import your Excel file. You can simply remove non-WhatsApp number from here, and simply you can export these numbers or add to sender, or you can create contact list. Now I'm gonna show you how you can send messages. I click on add to sender list. Now we already created a template. We just select this template, select our instance, and simply we will give the name of our campaign and just hit send. Now the next option is report. In the report menu, you can check your campaign reports, how many messages sent, how many failed, and etc. All report you can see here. Our next option is contacts. This feature is for retargeting. You don't need to import your Excel file again and again and filter your number. You can simply save that contacts here. For this, you need to go to number filter. Simply add your Excel file, open, next, and here you can see create contact list. Give the name for your contact list and simply create. You can easily create multiple contact lists here. You can easily create multiple contact lists here and simply send them message or export these contacts. This feature is very useful for your client follow-up. So, our next option is unsubscribers. With this feature, you can see the list of the person who unsubscribe you. People can easily unsubscribe you if they don't like your content or messages. And if in the future they automatically don't receive any messages from you. If you want to send them messages, you can simply delete their numbers from here. Our next option is Group Grabber. In Group Grabber, you can easily select your instance and
click on fetch, and you can see all the group of your number, and you can simply extract any particular group and you can send the message individually.